We all use pens of different types like gel pen, dot pen, roller ball pen, ink pen, etc. Many have used or tried writing with ink pen. Because of its clumsy nature and leakage, they have stopped using it. But there is an ink pen which is a workhorse and many people would love it. It's called Platinum Preppy. Hi everyone, welcome to Reviewism. Subscribe to the channel, ring that bell to get notified when I upload new videos. So let's get started with the video. This ink pen, the Platinum Preppy, is a Japanese pen which is simplistic, refined, light, and the quality is great. This pen is a must-have if you are getting into fountain pen hobby. Yes, there is a whole community for fountain pens or ink pen. The writing experience of this pen is phenomenal. It glides over your paper like butter. The satisfactory feeling you get when you write on the paper, when the tip of the nib touches the paper, when the ink flows and you don't feel that it's touching the paper, it just glides. You don't feel like stopping to write. Ink pen lovers will definitely get what I'm trying to say. The Platinum Preppy is available in different nib sizes like medium, fine and extra fine. The medium nib size is 0.5, the fine size is 0.3 and the extra fine which is 0.2. Yes, 0.2. It's not scratchy at all even after being such a fine nib. This is exceptional. Japanese people are good at this. There are various colors to choose from like black, red, orange, pink, green, etc. The Platinum Preppy is cartridge converter pen which uses platinum proprietary cartridge, which means you can't use universal cartridge with this. You also get the platinum proprietary converter which costs more than this pen, and the cartridges are expensive when you consider the cost of the pen. But there is a trick. You can buy your favorite ink bottle and you need to get a syringe. When your cartridging gets over, you can fill the cartridge with this ink at low cost without buying many cartridges, as well as pouring your desired ink. You can use this pen. You can also convert this pen to an eyedropper, which means pouring the ink directly into this and using it. The packaging of the product is plain and simple. I quite like it. Coming to the key features and pros and cons. The quality of the pen as well as the nib is great. Writing experience couldn't get better, keeping in mind the price point. The fine nib as well as the medium nib cost rupees 350, but the extra fine nib cost rupees 550, which in my opinion is well priced for this product. This pen won't disappoint anyone. Don't be quick to judge it. Use it for a while, let the nib get settled or get used to your posture of writing. This pen is light, which is extremely good when you're writing for a long period of time. Coming to the most important part. We won't be writing with this pen on Rhodia paper. Yes, honestly, everyone will use it on normal sheet of paper. If you're using high quality paper, then go with medium sized nib. If you're using it on normal paper, I think extra fine or fine would be great. Extra fine gets scratchy if the paper isn't very smooth or is not of good quality. Here is the writing outlook. Here I'm using JK Copier A4 sheet which is 75 grams and it's joy to write. It glides over the paper like butter. It's terrific pen to own. You should definitely try this pen because ink pens are environment friendly and it looks great on paper. It is seemingly beautiful when you write journals or affirmations with it. College and school students should definitely try it because it's good for long period writing. It's reliable and it will last you for a long time. and people who want to add some style to their handwriting can try this pen. If you write book, poems or scripts, you should definitely check this out because this ink pen demands you to write more and more. I love this pen. That's it for this video. Share the video, give a thumbs up, take care, be safe, see you next week. Because ink pens are environment friendly.